About to do a class 4 rapid.
Here's our entrance.
Oh, no.
We launch from here?
It's like probably from this beach right here.
Sick.
Yeah, better bring them out right here.
Going to the river, basically. First off, class 4 rafting, alright?
We made it. This is Sergio. This is our guide. Hey, that's just rude.
You got me more than that.
Friendly fire? But why? Oh yeah.
Forward again.
Woohoo! See if I can get them. Oh, they're going backwards.
Yeah.
They're doing 360s.
Yeah.
Oh shit! He did it! Suicide. Arm flap.
Yeah, go up there again, brother.
Sick.
Cannonball!
Nice. Class 45. And I ain't ever lost a man. Woo!
Have the first part, second part, third part is just around up.
What's this one called? No name?
I don't know what it's going to be second.
It's called Fuck Your Couch.
Fuck your couch.
I'm gonna name all the rapids. Yeah. Backwards. Woo! Itty bitty titty committee. Woo!
Forward now.
Cold hands.
Yep.
They hit the rocks.
Sick. they're on the rowdy boat. sick, bro.
Backwards is harder, like,
It is.
because I can't see what you're doing.
I'm watching you. I'm matching your energy.
But it's backwards again. But it's forward, forward. Forward. And it's upward.
I'm watching him.
That just lost me.
But it's forward again. Forward. Forward.
Big rock.
Forward. Up.
Look at
My
that.
leg.
We did well getting through it.
But it's forward now. Forward. And it's up. Forward.
Nice.
My leg is burning.
Like a rocket thing. A lot of rocks.